Hello students, today I am going to teach you about the matter in our surrounding. This is the first chapter of grade 9th and this is the topic of chemistry. Before that, before we begin, I hope you are very well at your homes. Stay healthy, stay at home, stay safe. So, coming to our chapter matter in our surrounding, then in which we will study about matter, the physical and chemical division of matter, classification of matter. But before that, we should know about the matter, the term matter. What is matter? And we will start from this definition. What is matter? Anything, anything which has mass and occupy space is called matter. Here, two points are very important, that mass and occupy space. What is the meaning of mass and what is the meaning of occupy space? Mass and occupy space. Occupy space means simply volume, and mass is also a different quantity. Sometimes and generally we think that mass, I'm not talking about here about the volume, I'm talking about only mass. But sometimes we think that mass and weight both are the same quantity, but this is not so. The mass and the weight are very different to each other. How? I'll show you. You also think, but mass, what is mass? Mass is the amount of matter present in any substance. Amount of matter, amount. What is the meaning of amount? Suppose or not, this is a marker. This is a marker and it is built from plastic, and the amount of plastic present in this marker is called its mass. Simple. So what is the SI unit of mass? The SI unit of mass is simply kg. But what is weight? Weight. What is weight? Weight is not a mass. Weight is a force. Weight is a force that is exerted by the gravity. This is exerted by the gravity. Gravity. You might have heard that. What is gravity? Okay, so I am not going to elaborate the term gravity. Here I am going to show you the differences between mass and weight only. So what is weight? Weight is a force which is exerted by the gravity, and the SI unit of weight is Newton. Because why? Because weight is a force. Weight is a force and the unit of the force is Newton. So the SI unit of weight is also Newton. And what is the formula of force? F is equal to m into A. M into A. This is A. So am I clear? So what is mass and what is weight? Simply clear that. Here I am going to take an example, that suppose we go to the market and buy 1 kg of sugar, and somebody asks us, if the mass of 1 kg sugar is 1 kg, then what is the weight of that 1 kg sugar? What is the weight? Then we can simply elaborate it, that F is equal to m into A. Here I am going to calculate the weight of 1 kg sugar. Okay, now? So sometimes, and when we calculate the weight of any substance, then we have to understand that what is acceleration due to gravity, g. A is also acceleration, and when we put and put something in our hand, then we feel the weight. So acceleration due to gravity used here instead of A, that is called F is equal to m into g. A simply changed by g. Here in this case, acceleration due to gravity and acceleration is same. Not in all the condition, but in this condition this same, because we are talking about the weight. So here the force is equal to mass and into acceleration due to gravity. So F is equal to 1, mass is equal to 1 kg of sugar. So here m is equal to 1, and acceleration due to gravity, all the time acceleration due to gravity on the earth, I repeat, on the earth is 9.8 meter per second square. In upcoming classes I'll tell you about the acceleration due to gravity and most of the things. And but in somehow and in particular cases we also take acceleration due to gravity as 10 meter per second square on the earth. Okay now, here so F is equal to 1 into 10 acceleration due to gravity, the value of here 1 into 10 is equal to 10, and Newton is the SI unit. So the weight of 1 kg of sugar is 10 Newton. This is simply very different, that the mass of sugar, the mass of 1 kg sugar is 1 kg, but the weight of 1 kg sugar is 10 Newton. And it is also called, because here 9.8, and in some cases we can take 10 Newton to 10 meter per second square. So here we can also say that 1 into 9.8 is equal to 9.8 Newton. Okay, we can take approximate value of 9.8, that is 10. So here I'll show you, and I saw you that mass and weight are very different quantity compared to each other, and the amount of weight is different from different planets, different satellites, different celestial objects. Suppose if the weight of a man on the earth is 60 kg or 60 Newton, suppose 60 Newton, then what is the weight of that particular man on the moon? What is the weight? Here you can understand, and you have to understand that the weight is 1/6 on the moon as compared to the earth. That means this is on the earth, but when we talk about the moon, then it is simply its sixth part. So then 6 1 are 6, 6 10 are 60, then 10 Newton. So we can simply say that if a man has 60 Newton weight on the earth, then its weight on the moon is simply 10 Newton. Okay, so this is mass, weight, and weight on the different planets, so, and different satellites, and moon is a satellite, we also know that. And the next point is occupy space. What is occupy space? Occupy space means volume. I earlier in the recent I said that occupy space means volume. What is volume? The amount of space present in any substance is called its volume. Suppose we have a glass of half liter, okay, or 1 liter, suppose, then its volume is 1 liter. Okay, so I made my point very clear that what is matter? Anything which has mass and occupies space, that is called matter. And I elaborate mass, weight, and volume. And the SI unit of volume is meter cube. SI unit of volume is meter cube. This is all about this lecture. I hope you all understand. If any query, any questions, give the message to me and clear your doubts. Thank you.